silent revolution across the country, thousands of ordinary citizens taking to the streets demanding that corruption be ended, hoping that their voice will reach those in the seat of power. Protests across 60 cities. Hundreds of thousands of people calling for action against the corrupt. In Bangalore, hordes of people marched towards the Vidhana Sauda. And the capital saw activists from all walks share a stage.
This Lokpal bill that we have drafted says that any case of investigation, any case of corruption, the investigation should be completed between 6 months to 1 year, and the trial should get over in the next 1 year, so that the corrupt people can go to jail within 1.5 to 2 years and their ill-gotten wealth is confiscated.
Oh, this is to secure our present and ensure our future. Otherwise, there is none. We will remain poor because all our money is being, corrupt money is bringing corrupt people to power.
A massive rally has in fact been organized in the heart of central Delhi here. This is of course the Parliament Street area where you can see tens and thousands of people have gathered. These are of course representing the civil society of the country. They do not belong to any political class. Cutting across the BJP-Congress debate, corruption has in fact hit down on the streets where people are in fact raising this entire issue.
Thousands at Mumbai echoed the cry.
Corrupt politicians quit India. Bhrashtachari netao Bharat chodo. Now enough is enough.
I'm a citizen, a tax-paying citizen. It is my money at stake. If I don't bother about it, I don't think it is anybody else's business.
Something that plagues our society today, corruption.
And it's not just us in Mumbai. There are people in Delhi, there are people in Bangalore, in Chennai, in around 50 other cities who are standing up for this.
Scams such as the 2G scam, Commonwealth Games scam, the other society scam, and now the black money scam. Finally forcing an indifferent citizenry to come out on the fore and take matters in their own hands.
From the metros to smaller cities, the message was simple. India is against corruption.
Main demand is, of course, the corruption. This country should be free of corruption, of course. Corruption at any level is not tolerable to us.
We are the citizens of this country and we are very much aware what is happening all across the India.
As the country reels from a scam-ridden year, these people have one demand. It is time to act against the corrupt. Bureau Report, Times Now.